Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Anchor Brianna Keilar. CNN's 1 p.m. anchor Brianna Keilar will take over for Camerota, and join John Berman on New Day weekday mornings from New York. Camerota has called New Day her TV home for more than 6 years. She joined the program in January 2015, and has worked in morning TV for many more.
Let's help you make your mark.
He will also have a principal anchor role for all major breaking news and continue to host CNN special reports. John King will continue to host Inside Politics with John King weekdays from 12 to 1 p.m. Eastern Time. The network's chief national correspondent, he will also continue to have a key role in all political coverage.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Brianna Keilar can spend quality time with her family during her free time despite her busy schedule and does not shy of showing the world her beautiful family. As of today, the answer to if Brianna Keilar pregnant again is no. According to sources, she also is not expectant.
Take our lead.
Brooke Baldwin says her dad's advice encouraged her to leave really comfortable CNN job. In an interview with Yahoo Entertainment published Tuesday, Brooke revealed that one of the main reasons she would be walking away from her longtime gig was because she was beginning to feel too comfortable.
Let's help you make your mark.
Brooke Baldwin net worth and salary. Brooke Baldwin is an American journalist and television host who has a net worth of $10 million. She is best known for hosting the TV series, CNN Newsroom with Brooke Baldwin, which aired from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Her annual salary at CNN was $4 million.
Take our lead.
The CNN senior political correspondent, 32, is pregnant, expecting her first child with husband Marcus Richardson, a daughter due this summer, she revealed to The Cut on Monday. "We are having a baby girl this summer."
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.